Hello, Galaxy. I'm Chris Pirillo, and this is my view in Fewer Than Two. Threads has now launched. This is Facebook's Twitter clone, and it's probably going to do better than Twitter has done over time because it's Facebook and billions of people use Facebook, and Instagram, where a lot of brands and influencers go. That is one of the reasons you need to be paying attention to Threads right now. I would have recorded this video a couple of hours earlier when Threads launched. Actually, I think I got in before Threads launched for some weird reason. It was a loose deadline. But I have been using Threads because it's new. It's a shiny object. Since I was able to first log in, because there are so many people jumping in, joining, having fun, trying to figure things out, waiting for something new to happen. And that's the thing that has pushed Facebook, Meta, whoever you want to call them, to release Threads when they did, because they have seen so many missteps from Elon Musk in relation to Twitter over the past few months, if not past few days, that they needed to get something out. So right now, it's basic, but it basically works, and it basically works well. I'm able to connect with people. People are able to connect with me. I'm up hundreds of followers almost instantaneously because all that information was ported over the social graph from Instagram. This is not small potatoes. This is going to be big because it's Facebook, it's Meta, it's Instagram. That's where people already are. To give them a new opportunity to interact with one another and to discover people well outside their own social circles is huge. That's what Twitter had done in the past. It's why I'm very bullish on Threads. So yes, I'm on Threads. If you followed me on Instagram, you'd see me in your follower list. I'm there. It's at Chris Pirillo, where I am on pretty much every single platform, including Mastodon. And you're going to see a lot more fun happening on Threads because I'm going back there right now. Okay, I'm done here.